Come out okay. And as you guys can see, Rick is not a 1-minute man. Features Madhouse. Is anybody worried right now? Or do you just not give a fuck? We have a good insurance policy, it's okay. We have flying little people, so we got it all covered.